Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachael here. I believe you guys are doing very well. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome to my channel. My name is Rachael. Today I'm going to share with you guys Cantu hair mask versus Shea moisture hair mask. Which one is the best? So today guys, I'm going to give you my full review and opinion concerning the Shea moisture and the Cantu, which one is better and which one my hair love most. Well, don't get me wrong guys, Shea moisture is a very good hair brand and it has a tons of different products. I have tried Jamaican black castor oil before in the past, even before I went natural, but this time I have switched it because my hair was just a bit like misbehaving with the new brand of the Jamaican black castor oil, so I changed it. I tried this, the Rachael butter dip treatment mask, which is this one. I tried this. If you have been on my YouTube for a very long time, you guys know I talk a lot about Cantu. I have been using Cantu since 2018, I think, and my hair does love Cantu. So I purchased the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Hair Mask, and I wanted to do a comparison with the Cantu treatment hair mask as well, since my hair love Cantu. So I purchased the Cantu one. I wanted to do a comparison to see which one my hair loved the most, and trust me guys, I was flipped out. And this is the reason why I really like doing a comparison with product, to see how my hair react to it, to stay with the one that really works for my hair best. So don't get me wrong, as I said, Shea Moisture is a very good hair brand, but sometimes it is very good to do a comparison, because no matter how good is a brand, it might not work for your hair and your hair might not like it at all. So this is the reason why for the past few years I have done a lot of comparison with different products to see how each one works on my hair. And recently I am deciding to stick with what really works for my hair, which is Cantu. Cantu is the product I'm using, by the way. I do try few products to see, but Cantu is my way to go, and I want you guys to really see this, so you can also, before you buying a product or stay with one product, you should do a comparison to see how it works on your hair before deciding to go for what really works for you. So guys, the reason why I am doing this video is for especially the new naturalistas, for them to be able to choose the right product for their hair, okay? Because imagine buying two products, and these products are not cheap though, they are a bit pricey, and you think oh, this product is working. Okay, of course it is working, but it might not work for your hair type, especially your porosity, you know. Purchasing a product, you have to concentrate a bit on your porosity, because if you buy a product and it works on high porosity, you use it on low porosity, it's not going to work. So the reason why I really do this comparison with both products is for me to see how the Shea Moisture and the Cantu works on my hair. And trust me, I am staying with Cantu, because Cantu give my hair a lot sleep than the Shea Moisture. It's not that the Shea Moisture doesn't work for my hair, but I prefer the Cantu, because if Cantu work best for my hair and make my hair really fit the moisture that I wanted for my hair, so why will I be spending money buying two products? Cantu does the job. So yeah, don't get too excited, but I'm going to show you guys the video so you guys can see what I mean. Disclaimer: I am not saying that Shea Moisture doesn't work or is not good. It's a very good brand, but I prefer to stay with what works best for my hair. Okay guys, I believe you find this video helpful. Without further ado, let's jump into the demonstration. So guys, this is my Cantu and my Rachael Moisture Deep Treatment Hair Mask. So I have applied the Shea Moisture on my right side. Now I am going to apply the Cantu on my left side. Well, I parted my hair into two, and I wanted to do that part out of camera, so this video doesn't take long time. So I just did that part out of camera. Now I'm gonna put on the Cantu hair mask on my left side, and I was using my hand to detangle my hair. You guys know I love detangle my hair first with my hand, and if I decide to use a wide tooth comb, I will go ahead and use a wide tooth comb. But first of all, I detangled with my hand. Then I will start combing my hair from the ends of my hair to the roots. Okay, but in this tutorial I didn't use comb. I just wanted to use my hand because most of the time I don't use comb. I think recently I'm reducing the amount of comb I'm using in my hair, so I just use comb maybe once or twice a month. Then every other day else I just prefer using my hand. So guys, as you guys can see, I have applied the mask on my hair, so I'm just gonna continue with the other side. I really wanted to film most of it out of camera because it does takes a lot of time, and if I put all the clip, you know, in the video, it's just gonna take way too long, and I don't want that. Like, okay, yeah, I have applied the mask on my hair, so I put my steamer on my hair for like 20 minutes. I normally do this all the time. Then I went ahead to rinse the mask out of my hair. So you guys can see the right side of my hair, which I applied the Shea Moisture on my hair out of camera, and you guys will see my left side when I unravel my hair. You guys will see how it look like. Cantu is my way to go because it does give my hair that slip that I want. Did you guys see that? I will let you guys judge, okay? It's not because I love Cantu or anything. I will just wait for you guys to judge, to make the judge in the comment section. Leave your comment in the comment section and let's talk about this. Have you tried Cantu? Did you like Cantu? Does it work on your hair? Did you guys see that slip? You can see my hair in the right side is very short. It's not that my hair is not long. It's just the amount of slip and the moisture that my hair absorb, you know, and how my hair feel after rinsing my hair. And my hair feels really soft, much softer with the Cantu than the Shea Moisture. So guys, I am not saying that Cantu is not a good brand or it doesn't work. I am speaking from the perspective of this particular Shea Moisture, the Rachael hair mask. So I might try Cantu other brand from Shea Moisture in the future, which I really love to do, and I will also put you guys up to date on that if I decided to try another brand from the Shea Moisture. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.